Good morning, crypto pioneers. There is a reason Binance Exchange is the #1 source for your crypto needs. Huge news on crypto. Huge news on Binance Exchange. Binance now lets you turn your Cryptodust back into BNB coin. If you're using Binance Exchange, even if you're not holding BNB coin as an investment, it's extremely necessary to purchase BNB coin to save you on a ton of fees for your trades. You have to have the BNB settings turned on and you will receive a lot of discount, a huge discount on your purchases. We will go into that. And I did turn all my Cryptodust back into BNB coin. It does work. It's huge news on that. Also, on today's show, Winklevoss twins are teaming up with Nasdaq to sniff out bad actors on their cryptocurrency exchange. This is huge. This is what I'm talking about. This is the crypto community teaming up with the financial community. And it's like a match made in heaven. It solidifies that cryptocurrencies are here to stay. And this is one hell of an article. It actually goes into saying that the Nasdaq is, and I said it is, going to be offering Bitcoin futures, and this is huge. Mainstream money is going to definitely get involved. This is unheard of. And also, crypto market hitting 40 trillion in 10 years, definitely possible, says Pantera Capital CEO. I doubt it will take 10 years. We almost had $1 trillion market cap in November, December. So to say 10 years, I highly doubt it's going to take that long. That's for sure. Nasdaq itself is a $9 trillion company? Just one company. Binance signs agreement with Bermuda government on 15 million investment in jobs. And this is huge news right here too, crypto pioneers. And this is what I'm saying. If the government wants to restrain the growth of blockchain technology and ICOs, it will only hinder the growth of the technology. Other nations are more than willing to embrace this technology. So it's basically who's going to get on board and who's going to get left behind. This is a huge article. Also, crypto exchange Binance is more profitable than Germany's biggest bank. And this is a huge article. We kind of touched this on a little bit previous, but I just want people to grasp how big this really is. This right here alone will make every financial institution stand up and take notice. The Nasdaq, New York Stock Exchange, Pantera Capital, everybody is going to take notice on this. And this is what I was talking about. Binance now lets users convert Cryptodust into BNB coin. Now, if you deal with Binance Exchange, I did a question to crypto pioneers the other day. I said, what was your favorite exchange? And the majority said Binance Exchange. So if you have been using Binance Exchange like I have been using and doing trades, I have been doing a lot of trades lately. So I save money by actually owning the BNB coin. We'll get more into that. But you know, once you trade or you sell something or trade something, you always see a small percentage left that doesn't really register as tradable. Now what they're saying is you can turn all that dust back into BNB coin. This is huge, crypto pioneers. This is very huge. Okay, let's get this show started today. I'd like to thank everybody for tuning in on this beautiful Sunday morning. You can follow me on Twitter, CKJ, at CKJ Crypto News. Thanks everybody who's been sending me links and DMs through Twitter. It means the world to me. CKJ Alliance is growing. We're getting stronger. We will be #1 on YouTube for your crypto fix, your crypto news. Shout out to Digital Nomad. Shout out to Junkies. Shout out to Blockchain. Shout out to Walski in Poland. Thanks to everybody. I've been overwhelmed with positivity. First things first, Winklevoss twins join Nasdaq to catch bad actors. This is huge, crypto pioneers. The Winklevoss twins are actually famous for suing Mark Zuckerberg, saying they were the original founders of Facebook. They ended up winning, I don't know, about $1 billion, and they invested a majority of that in Bitcoin, and they've been very supportive of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. They actually founded their own cryptocurrency exchange called Gemini, and they hold a whole big bag of Bitcoins. The entrepreneurs, the Winklevoss twins, are teaming up with the exchange operator Nasdaq, one of the largest financial institutions in the world, to catch crypto criminals on its exchange. And this is what I said previously, crypto pioneers. If you've been following me, I think, believe it or not, this is why the market was so bearish. Because before everybody started taking notice of the cryptocurrency, There's been a lot of people that's been misusing it and abusing this technology. And now, basically, now the real money's coming in and everybody's eyeing this technology. So people that are doing bad with it are pulling their money out. And this is an opportunity for people that want to do good with this technology, like me and you, to invest while this technology in this world grows. Gemini will use Nasdaq smart surveillance technology to monitor the exchange venue. Gemini, forgive me for my voice being a little hoarse and I did just wake up, still having coffee. I will live stream tonight. I will live stream at 5. I look forward to seeing everybody there. We're going to have a new schedule too. I'm going to try to bring the crypto news in the morning, and I'm going to try to start live streaming once every night. I hope I can hold to that. Gemini, the cryptocurrency exchange founded by the Winklevoss twins, plan to use Nasdaq surveillance technology to sniff out nefarious activity on this trading venue. Since the launch of Gemini, now we'll hop around this article a little bit. I did tweet it. You can find the article on my Twitter. Shout out to everybody that follows me on Twitter. Also, help CKJ reach #1. Let's get that subscriber count to go bullish. Hit that subscribe button. If you love crypto, hit that subscribe button. We do daily crypto videos. Okay. Since the launch of Gemini has aggressively pursued comprehensive compliance and surveillance programs which we believe betters our exchange and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. I agree. Winklevoss and CEO of Gemini said in a statement, our deployment of Nasdaq smart market surveillance will help ensure that Gemini is a rules-based marketplace for all market participants. And basically, I support this. This is basically working with regulators, saying, hey, we're here to work with you, not against you. If you can't beat them, join them, as they say. Regulators have been viewing crypto exchanges with increasing scrutiny. New York Attorney General Eric offices sent out an inquiry to numerous cryptocurrency exchanges, including Gemini, requesting information about market manipulation and interruptions in service on exchanges. At the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, regulators are looking into whether certain digital currencies, including Ether, can be deemed security. People familiar with the situation told Business Insider. But let's move down to this right here. As for Nasdaq, it is preparing its own Bitcoin futures product. And that's what I said when I did a video the other day. Sometimes you got to read between the lines, crypto pioneers. It said they are May. And I said, nah, you may take out that word May. Nasdaq is going to get involved. It is preparing its own Bitcoin futures product, which is not expected to go live until the second half of 2018. And this is why, crypto pioneers, I'll be honest, I've been actually really increasing my position in actual Bitcoin itself. The exchange operator, which is known for its listings business, sees a big opportunity in providing technology to a nascent market for digital currencies. This is huge, crypto pioneers. This pretty much says crypto is going mainstream. And like I said, 2018 is going to be one hell of a ride. We are crypto pioneers, and by this time next year, we're going to be so happy that we got involved with cryptocurrencies, I'm telling you. Crypto market hitting 40 trillion in 10 years is possible, says Pantera Capital CEO. I'll just read the first paragraph in this. Don Moorhead, CEO of Pantera Capital, a $1 billion cryptocurrency hedge fund, said the crypto market could hit, I said will hit 40 trillion within 10 years. I believe that. I believe within 5 years. In an interview for Bloomberg Television, April 26th. The hedge fund's first Bitcoin-only fund returned over 25,000% when the cryptocurrency hit 20,000 peak in December. The fund is very bullish on the crypto space and is set up as long as short fund, believing that the current values are at an order of a magnitude or two below real fundamental fair value of blockchain. It's a fascinating market, a 400 billion market that nobody owns. Exactly. We've never seen that before. There we go again, crypto pioneers. Like I said, this is unprecedented. This is huge. This is revolutionary. The industry as a whole could easily go to 4 trillion. Easily. That should have been the first line in this article. The cryptocurrency industry as a whole could easily go to 4 trillion. And I believe that. I'm so excited. Can you feel the excitement in the air, crypto pioneers? I know I can. So anyway, basically everybody's getting on board. And this article right here, I really like this one because this basically says there is governments out there that are going to support cryptos, are going to support crypto exchanges, are going to support ICOs. Binance has agreement with Bermuda government on 15 million investment and jobs. Premier and Minister of Finance of Bermuda, David Burt, signed a memorandum of understanding with the Binance Group on Friday. But signed the MOU with Changpeng Zhou, founder ZZ and CEO of the world's second largest crypto exchange. I thought it was the first largest crypto exchange. By market capitalization, Burt said that Binance goals align with their aims and objectives to provide a leading, well-regulated jurisdiction ideally suited to growth of the fintech industry. That's huge. That is huge. But stated that Binance plans to develop a global compliance base in Bermuda, a global compliance. That means compliance with the world. In Bermuda, a move which Burt says will add around 40 new jobs and at least 30 of which will go to Bermudians. That's huge. According to MOU, Binance will spend to $10 million on university-level training for Bermudas in blockchain technology, development, and compliance through the Binance Foundation. The company will also provide up to $5 million in investments in new Bermuda-based blockchain companies through Binance Labs. I'm trying to get me a job at Binance. To be honest, I seen on the Binance exchange they're hiring marketers for YouTube. Hey, I'm talking about Binance. I wouldn't mind maybe receiving some kind of income. It's my favorite exchange. I can leave a link in the bottom. Hey, Binance, Binance. What do crypto pioneers think about that one? The Bermuda government reportedly plans to develop friendly legal framework for virtual currencies and blockchain. CZ said that research conducted by Binance shows that Bermuda has one of the leading regulatory bodies for virtual currencies. And there's one more thing I wanted to say right here. Burt said that the government wants to make Bermuda the first country in the world to comprehensively govern ICOs within this country's jurisdiction. And that's what I said, crypto pioneers. USA cannot turn its back on ICOs. Somehow we have to support them and regulate them because there's many nations who are willing to step up to take advantage of this technology. So that is huge. We can't get left behind. Crypto exchange Binance is more profitable than Germany's biggest bank, the Dutch. And I will read this first paragraph, and this is why I believe I can be #1 in crypto and crypto news. I believe cryptos are going to be the hugest thing that's ever happened. Tim Draper said that cryptocurrencies are bigger than the internet, and I do believe that. And this is a perfect example, and this is why all financial institutions are going to get involved with cryptos. This year, in the first quarter of 2018, Deutsche Bank, Germany's biggest bank and one of Europe's leading financial institutions, recorded a profit of $146 million. Binance, the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange, recorded a profit of $200 million. Let that marinate for a second. Binance surpassed Germany's largest and one of Europe's biggest banks in profitability. Binance, a cryptocurrency startup that was non-existent merely 8 months ago, beat out leading bank that was established 148 years ago. The startup with 200 employees beat out a banking giant with 100,000 employees. I'm bullish on BNB coin. That's like I said, you actually need the BNB coin to save on fees. Like for example, I'll give you an example. Binance now lets users convert Cryptodust to BNB. This is huge, crypto pioneers. On my BNB app, I had so many cryptos that I got out of. If something started dipping, yes, I do trades. I am playing with trades. But say, for example, okay, I got in at VeChain at $3. It hit $4. I wanted to sell maybe 50% of my position. Or let's just say 100%. I want to sell 100% of my position on VeChain and convert it back into Bitcoin. Now, if I say sell 100%, it doesn't clear back to 0.0000. You always see some crypto dust left. Even on VeChain, it could be 0.0012 or you always see something. No matter what you trade and you sell 100%, there's always crypto dust. So now what they're saying is Binance is launching a new feature that allows users to convert crypto dust into BNB tokens. The Binance CEO made this known on via tweet April 23rd. What is crypto dust? Crypto dust refers to a fractional cryptocurrency value. It is usually impossible to trade crypto dust due to the fact that they are less than the transaction fees. Being lower than the minimum trading limit, it usually sits idle in users' wallet, hence the term crypto dust. And I'm like so excited about this actually because I had like 20 different coins that were in crypto dust. And when I converted it, it actually really made my BNB balance jump way up. So I was really surprised that crypto dust really adds up. And like I said, crypto pioneers, if you're on Binance Exchange, you have to have, even if you purchase one BNB coin, you purchase one BNB coin if you're not even interested in BNB coin. But if you do business on Binance Exchange, you have to go to your settings and you turn it on, and it really lowers the fees for your trades, and you'll save a lot of money. Before I learned this, I lost a lot of money doing trades that was very expensive without the actual token of the exchange. BNB tokens are the native cryptocurrency of Binance platform. They are used to pay transaction fees for all exchange and trade transactions on the platform. Binance is currently the largest cryptocurrency exchange platform in the world. That's what I thought. As of the time of writing this article, more than 3 billion in crypto trades has hosted the platform within the 24 hours. Holy moly. More than 3 billion in crypto trades in the last 24 hours. BNB is currently trading at 13.65. Right now it's at $15. And it is the best performing global asset so far in 2018. True, when I got in it, it was $9 and now it's up to $15. This is huge, crypto pioneers. Okay, well, that's today's show. I really appreciate everybody tuning in. If you haven't hit that subscribe yet, the CKJ Crypto coin will pop up. Hit that coin. Help CKJ. I really appreciate everybody today. It means the world to me. I'd like to know, what is the crypto community's top crypto pick for 2018? Your top pick that you have faith in that's going to moon. Your top crypto pick. Alrighty, crypto pioneers. I hope everybody's going to be there for the live stream tonight around 5:30. CKJ, have a wonderful day.